Okay, so this is the second part of functions. So let's learn about function design principles. The first one is that uh, we should uh, have each function do one thing very well. Each function should have single responsibility. And the second principle is that we should keep functions small and focused. Uh, there should be at most 30 lines in each function. And when we have function names, parameter names, they should be descriptive so that uh, it will make the code more readable, more easily to understand. And we should limit the number of parameters, aim for 3 to 4 parameters max. Okay, let's see the example here. On the left hand side is the bad example, where inside one function we want to do many things. But on the right hand side is a good example where each function we want to do one thing very well. And for key functions, more example. In the left hand side, we can see that there are many lines of code inside one function. But in the second example, which is a good example on the right hand side, we keep functions small, doesn't have many lines of code. And for the example of using descriptive name on the left hand side, um, often we may just want to have function name very short and use parameter name like x, y, but they are not descriptive and they won't help us to understand code. On the other hand, if we name the function like uh, more descriptive, like in the right hand side, they will make us to understand code more easily. And on the top of the example, we can see that is the bad example in terms of just having parameters that are like parameters required for this function for many parameters. But for the good example, even though we want to um, have a lot of information passed inside the function, we can uh, group those parameters into like class so that when we want to uh, accept or information, then uh, we can group uh, each related parameters together, and that will make us to understand the code more easily. And in conclusions, functions are reusable blocks of code that perform specific tasks. Function helps in organizing code, reduce repetition, and improve readability. And we use star argument and star keyword argument for flexible arguments. And in terms of error handling, we should use try except blocks. And when we implement function, we should keep functions small and focused. And when we name variables or functions, we should use descriptive name. And these are reference for this presentation. Okay, thank you very much.